Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I've even picked up my camera. My voice is a little bit better now. I'm still sick. We're getting better. All praise to God. Everything is good when it comes to our health, and that's the number one thing, right? Health is everything. Health is wealth. Um, on today's video, I just want to give you guys a quick little update on myself, on my situation, what's up with trading, what's really going on with me, because I feel like you guys need an explanation, right? Like, it's been many factors, but the number one thing that's limiting me from coming back to trading is it's money, right? Like, it got to the point where things are pretty much, I'm not in a bad space. I do have negative in my bank account, and that's gonna get solved soon. There was a problem with my card. I had to get it replaced, and many things. My credit cards, they are overdrafted, and yeah, I mean, it's been tough. I've been looking for jobs left and right, interview after interview, and nothing is coming up, bro. But like I told you guys, I know that God is using my story, my life, as a testament. My life story is a testament for those who are at rock bottom and don't lose faith and keep on pushing. Trust me, man. I'm at my worst right now and I have a good spirit. My mind, my heart is in a good place. I know I hit rock bottom. Nothing can tell me I'm not at the worst I've ever been in my life. As a man, as a father, I was discouraged, but I know that God has a purpose for me. Like, me distancing myself from creating content, stepping away from a lot of things that were holding me back, just gave me the clarity that I needed, right? Like, I need to take this seriously. And you guys will see with the next upcoming videos that I will have for you guys. I am trying to get back on my grind, posting consistently. I need to clean up this room because it got full of dust and dirt. It's been very windy the last couple of days, and my allergies are just starting to flare up right now that I'm in the room, honestly. But I need to clean this room, get everything organized again, and just embody the habits, the characteristics that got me to this position. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Being unemployed, the stress levels, the anxiety, and I'm not making excuses, but all of these things really had me drifting back into my old habits. I was just at home. I didn't have that drive to trade because I have no money, no prop firm accounts, nothing. I took the money of my live account to pay some bills, and demo trading has no significance for me because I am not going to come up here on YouTube and show you guys my demo trades. Like, that's not realistic, right? Even though it is working for me, it is keeping my edge alive, and it's pretty much good practice, like trading the live market, understanding where price is going, seeing how prices are adjusting to the precedent, the tariffs, and all these things is great because my knowledge is growing in the market. I'm understanding many things, and the bad thing is, like, it's demo trading, right? I'm not taking it that serious. There's moments where I took it in consideration, like, I'm not going to go live with the team and demo trade. Like, not really. I be in the calls, but I'm not trying. Like, I feel discouraged in a way, disappointed, because it's like, bro, you're paper trading. There is nothing bad with paper trading, but like, the knowledge that I have now, it's just, I want to say it was an ego thing, right? And going back into, like, me drifting back into my old habits, like, I just started procrastinating, spending a lot of time on TikTok, Instagram, and just really deviated from my purpose. But in me drifting away, I found my spark again, that version of me who got to this position, who ran up my channel up to 700 subscribers. that person that was locked in, posting every day, doing the most that he could with a couple hours of sleep, is still in me, right? It's just the discouragement of the jobs and the applications, all that shit, like, really took a toll on me, right? But like I told you guys, I'm a testament to you guys. My story is a testament for those who think they can't, but with faith and perseverance, you will. I know that God has been testing me. Like, I'm over here looking for a job and everything, and letting my emotions and my mental get affected by the outcome of that, when I prayed to be in this position, not financially, but pray to be in this position where I could be a full-time day trader, where I can do the things that I want, have the free time that I have now, And I realized, like, I haven't executed at my highest capability. There's been moments where I got overly confident, or just the stress of the situation overtook me, right? It just drained me and had me, like, I want to say, stuck. Like, I knew what I had to do, but I wasn't doing it. And going back into, like, my previous videos and all the knowledge that I've been spitting on this channel, is like, the frustration that I have every night comes from me knowing my potential, me knowing that I'm stuck, me knowing that I am not putting in the work that I know I'm capable of, and slowly build that frustration throughout the day. And at night, I'm just mad at myself because I'm letting days go by when I know I could be elevating and getting better. Being accountable about yourself, where you stand in life, how you are as a man, is the number one thing that is going to solve your problems. Some people, like I said, countless amount of times, ego is their biggest rival. Like, it's you versus you, bro. If you can't accept that you're wrong, that's the end of you, right? But with all of this being said, I got some great content. Is something, I want to say, something new, but it's something that's pretty much going to turn a lot of heads around. And in my opinion, I feel like it is going to be something, I don't want to say controversial, but at the same time, like, it's going to be something that will expose the bad rep that trading has, in my honest opinion, with what I trade, with what I became profitable. Many people might disagree with my point of view, but at the same time, like, it's a perspective thing. Like I've been telling you guys, I stand on what I say on every video. Um, but yeah, what's coming in the next upcoming days is going to be crazy. It's going to be something that is going to bring so much value to you guys, to myself as well. I'm doing this, I don't want to spoil it too much because I don't want people stealing my idea, but you guys will understand in the next video. Stay tuned for that. But with that being said, I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in. Your boy Nando is back. Trust me, it's just been it's been a rough time, but hard times make strong men, right? God is just testing my faith. And like I tell you guys, this is the story that I'm going to tell one day. I heard Alex Hormozy said this, and like, that stuck with me for a minute. Like, this is the story that you're going to tell one day. I'm at my lowest right now. I've been recording the journey. This is part of my journey. And yes, I let emotions get in the way, but I'm here to show you guys that it's not the end of me, and it shouldn't be the end of you. Perseverance, faith, and trusting in God is going to take you farther out in life. With that being said, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Stay tuned for what's next.